Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever sat down to study with full motivation, opened your book, read 2 pages, and suddenly felt mentally exhausted? No sleepy, no lazy, but mentally drained. You tell yourself, I will study for 6 hours today, but after 40 minutes, your brain says, enough, I am done. If this sounds familiar, then listen very carefully because your problem is not intelligence, not discipline, not even motivation. Your problem is lack of exam stamina. And today I am going to show you how artificial intelligence can become your personal AI study coach to train your brain, increase focus, boost retention, and help you study longer without burnout. This is not theory, this is a new way of studying already used by top performers. Let's begin. What is exam stamina? Most students think success depends on talent. That's a lie. Top rankers don't win because they are smarter, they win because they can focus longer under pressure. Exam stamina is the ability to study deeply for long hours, solve complex problems without mental fatigue, perform consistently during long exams. Stay calm when your brain wants to quit. Think of your brain like a muscle. If you go to the gym and lift 50 kg on day 1, what happens? You fail. You get injured. Same with studying. Most students suddenly jump from 2 hours to 8 hours and then blame themselves when they burn out. Stamina is trained, not forced. This is where AI enters the game. Why AI is a game changer for students. Artificial intelligence is not just for software engineers or big companies. AI today can analyze your weaknesses, track your focus patterns, adapt study plans to your mental energy, simulate exam pressure, act like a 24/7 personal mentor. Earlier, you needed a top teacher, a personal coach, years of trial and error. Now, AI compresses years of experience into days. But remember one thing clearly, AI doesn't replace hard work. AI makes hard work intelligent. Let me show you how. AI has your personal study coach. Let's see. AI builds smart study circles, not random studying. Most students study like this: random subjects, random timing, random difficulty. AI-based study systems work differently. They use spaced repetition, active recall, cognitive load tracking. Instead of asking how long should I study, AI asks when is your brain most receptive. Example, if your focus drops after 35 minutes, AI schedules micro breaks before fatigue hits. This slowly extends your focus window: 35 minutes to 45 minutes to 60 minutes to 90 minutes. That's how stamina is built. AI trains your brain like an athlete. Athletes don't train randomly, they follow data driven programs. AI does the same for your brain. It tracks accuracy, time per question, error patterns, mental fatigue signs. If AI sees you make silly mistakes after 90 minutes, it adjusts your sessions. If it notices you lose concentration in numerical problems, it redesigns your problem sequence. This is personalized cognitive training. No human teacher can do this at scale. Third, AI simulates real exam pressure. One major reason students fail is exam shock. They know concepts but freeze under pressure. AI helps by creating adaptive mock tests, increasing difficulty gradually, introducing time stress strategically. Your brain slowly learns pressure is normal. By exam day, your heart rate is calmer, your thinking is sharper, your stamina is stronger. That's confidence built scientifically, not emotionally. AI eliminates decision fatigue. Every day you waste energy deciding what to study, how much to revise, which topic is important. This maintain noise kills stamina. AI removes this. You simply follow daily AI generated plans, priority based tasks, smart revision schedules. Your brain spends energy on learning, not planning. A short story, let me tell you. Let me tell you a real world story. There was a student preparing for GATE, hardworking, consistent, honest. But he had one problem. He couldn't study beyond 3 hours without mental collapse. He tried motivation videos, strict timetables, willpower. Nothing worked. Then he changed one thing. He stopped forcing long hours and started training stamina using AI-based study feedback. First month, 4 focused hours. Second month, 6 hours without burnout. Third month, 8 hours with clarity. Final result, not just a good rank, but confidence that he could handle any exam pressure. That's the power of training smart. How you can start using AI today? You don't need expensive tools. Start simple. Track your focus. Use AI based study trackers or even AI chat tools to log study sessions. Identify fatigue points. Next step, use AI for active recall. Ask AI to quiz you, generate mixed difficulty questions, explain mistakes in simple language. The next step is weekly AI review. Let AI analyze what improved, what declined, where stamina dropped. This feedback loop is gold. Important warning, AI is powerful, but AI without discipline is useless. You must show up daily, be honest with data, trust the process. Remember, AI is your coach, you are the athlete. Let me leave you with this thought: the future belongs to those who adapt faster, learn smarter, train their minds like professionals. Competitive exams are not becoming easier, the competition is increasing. But here's the good news: you don't need to be extraordinary, you need to be strategic. Use AI not as a shortcut, but as a multiplier of effort. Build stamina, build confidence, build consistency, and success will follow. If this video helped you even a little, like this video, share it with one serious aspirant, comment AI coach if you want more such content. Subscribe for exam strategies, career guidance, tech and corporate insights, motivation that actually works. Remember, work hard, work smart, and let AI work with you. Your success story starts now.